we know who we're talking about. You did a great landing. Well done, mate.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Malaga, where the local time is 25 past 10 and the outside temperature is 13 degrees. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. And now that we've left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices, but before you leave, please ensure you do have everything with you, in particular your mobile phones, your passports and your wallets. Look in your seat pockets, under your seat and in the overhead compartments, and please take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing does fall out. Any lost property will be handed into our team here in Malaga and not taken back to Manchester. If you weren't given additional seatbelt or life jacket, please can you leave these on your seat. If you have checked in a child's buggy, you can collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall. And if you have asked for assistance, please remain seated until all the passengers have disembarked first, and then we'll be able to assist you. Please have your passports ready to the immigration authorities here, and as a reminder, smoking is not allowed. This includes electronic cigarettes. If you're on holiday with TUIUK first choice, you need to look out for your TUI representatives in the arrivals hall. We do hope you've enjoyed your flight with us as much as we've enjoyed having you on board. Have a fantastic holiday and we'll look forward to seeing you on your return flight home. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for flying with TUI.